in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having issues with not receiving notifications of the activity on your Reddit account on the Reddit app on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. Now you want to select the apps tile and then select where it says see all apps. And then scroll down and locate the Reddit app. Go ahead and select that. And then select where it says notifications. If notifications are just turned off and grayed out, that's obviously what your problem is here. But you may want to turn it on and then on a more granular level, turn on certain types of notifications you want to receive from the app. Just turn them on or off the same way you did the top option here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.